In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI chat panel in Cursor to ask questions, reference code, and review changes. Let's start by opening the AI chat panel. You can click the diamond-shaped AI icon in the top right corner of the window, or find the same icon in the activity bar on the left. If you prefer shortcuts, press CMD plus I on macOS or Control plus I on Windows and Linux to open the chat sidebar instantly. A quick tip: if you highlight some code before using the shortcut, that selection will be included in the chat's context so the AI can respond with precise, snippet-aware help. Next, choose a mode. Cursor includes different modes, and by default you might be in agent mode, which can proactively make edits for you. If you just want to ask questions without the AI applying changes, switch to ask mode if it's available. Think of ask mode as a safe space for exploration, and agent mode as your hands-on collaborator when you're ready to modify files. Now let's interact with your codebase. To ask about the entire project, type your question into the chat and press CMD plus Enter on macOS or Control plus Enter on Windows and Linux. This tells the AI to use the whole codebase as context. If you want to reference specific files, type the @ symbol in the chat to bring up a file list, then select what you need. For example, you might reference a file and ask where a particular function is defined. If you're focused on a small section, highlight that snippet in the editor, then open the chat. The AI will use that selection to tailor its answer or instructions to exactly what you're looking at. You can treat the chat like a conversation. Ask general coding questions, such as how to center a div in CSS. You can also ask file-specific questions, like optimizing a loop in a particular utility file. In agent mode, you can request tasks, such as adding tests for an authentication function and running them. And if you need current information, use a web context tag to ask for the latest setup steps for a library. When the AI proposes changes in agent mode, you'll typically be prompted to review and accept them before anything is applied. This keeps you in control of your code. As a best practice, always test and verify AI-generated changes. The model can occasionally misunderstand your intent or produce incorrect code, so run your tests, check diffs carefully, and iterate as needed. That's it. Open the panel, pick the right mode, provide the right context, ask clearly, and review changes before applying. You'll get faster, safer results with every session.